Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how I do a double cut crease, and I am going with a bright color, so it will be blue on a dark skin tone. That's a plaster. I'm supposed to use a sellotape, but I couldn't find any sellotape, so I am going to use a plaster. I'm sure it will do the job. Get in that plaster. I'm going to place it right there. My hand is tight. For the cut crease, I am only using one palette. For the double cut crease, one palette is the James Charles Morphe X. I will be using these two colors for the bottom part of the cut crease, and then I will be using that and that for the top part of it, for the transitioning shades. So these two colors. So I'm now putting a transitioning shade right on my crease. Let's tap it in. Just tap it in, and then I will blend it. This is going to create my transitioning shade. Using the same brush, I will then go in with that deep blue shade. It's kind of looking paperish or bluey, but that shade. I will also blend those two colors. Just blend the two colors together. I'm now getting the P. Louise base, and this is Rumor Zero. That's the base I'm going to use. It looks very, very white. Just with that white base, I'm just going to cut that crease. Just be gentle, take it slowly. Taking a very small flat brush, I'm just going in to just kind of emphasize that edge, and I will blend it out. Using the black eyeshadow from the same palette, I will then create a double cut crease. I will then draw a black line from there, following that shade, coming all the way there. When I'm happy with that, I'm going to get a black gel liner. Using the black gel liner, I'm just going to fill that down part with black black eyeshadow. Using a very flat brush, I will be using that shimmery blue in these areas. I like starting these areas with a very lighter color. So I'm using the tapping motion. When that's done, I will then go in with a very fluffy brush, kind of a short fluffy brush, and I will be using that blue. Tapping that there. Tap, tap, tap. I am then just trying to blend the colors. So in light motions, just tapping that black, going in, light motions, going that way. So I'm happy with that, all done on the top, at the top part. I'm just gonna take this off, finishing off the eyes with a black eyeliner. For bronzing my cheeks, I am using the Heroin Glow by Juvia's. With a brush, tap it in there. For the lips, I will be using Yellow Brown by Beautiful You Cosmetics. And we're now done with this tutorial. This is a final look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's bye for now. See you next time.